Ever tried to cut out a person or object from a photo without paying for expensive software? Paint 3D does it for free, and it is already on your computer. Let me show you exactly how. Open your taskbar and type Paint 3D. Click to open it, then hit New to start a fresh project. Grab the photo you want to edit from your desktop. Just drag it and drop it right into the Paint 3D canvas. Easy. Look at the top bar or the right-hand side menu. You will see a tool called Magic Select. Click that one. A box will appear around your image. Drag the corners so it fits tightly around the object or person you want to keep. Do not leave too much extra space. Then click Next. Now, this part is important. If the selection is missing some bits or grabbed extra stuff you do not want, use the Add or Remove brushes. Just draw little lines over the problem areas until it looks right. Take your time here. Make sure Autofill Background is checked. That way Paint 3D fills in the empty space for you. Then click Done. Your cutout is now ready to move around, or you can copy it into Word or PowerPoint. And that is all there is to it. Free background removal, without Photoshop. If this saved you some frustration, go ahead and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Drop a comment with the word cutout, so I know this worked for you. Next time, I will show you how to turn that cutout into a custom sticker. Do not miss it.